Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to download the Logitech Pop Keys software for your Windows. This video will show you how to do it on Windows. If you wanna do it on macOS, then it'll be slightly different, so you may want to watch the macOS video, which also is available on our channel. And once that is done, go to the website that is provided in the description down below. So this one, but it'll be in the description, so you can just click on the link, then select your Windows version, either Windows 11 or Windows 10. I have Windows 10, so I'm gonna click on that. I probably need to refresh because it has disappeared. Okay, and now let's click on download now. Then it'll show me my installer in the downloads folder. So let's go to downloads, then go to file explorer, then downloads, then click on Logi Option Plus installer. Double click on that, then click on install Options Plus and wait a moment. Now it is installed, it'll open itself. Or if it doesn't open itself, just open it manually. So it'll be in the start menu here as a new app available. Then it asks you to send diagnostics and usage data. I'm gonna click on yes. Then you can also log in. I'm gonna skip that, but you can log in to unlock more functionality, and then you'll have the keyboard right here. You can click on that and customize its settings right here. See, I can customize the function keys and the emoji keys. I can go to easy switch to see which devices are connected, and you can also go to settings. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.